safe now? I think all are fine. Okay, I will teach you for class first standard mathematics. Okay, I will take the subject mathematics, children. So you are learned in the UKG previous class that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 100 or more than 100 also you have learned. So that is all what they call. This one all what you call, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is a numbers. So today we are going to study about the numbers. Okay. Today we are going to study about the numbers. Okay. See your maths class where we box, children. Box book for you now. So your class work will be like the box book. So you have to write the numbers. So how will you write, children? Along with me you have to say and write, children. See, first box here. 1, 2. Don't leave the line. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now leave one box here and write it there. After 10, what is there, children? 11. So 1, what? 11. 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. 1, 5, 15. 1, 6, 16. 1, 7, 17. 1, 8, 18. 1, 9, 19. 2, 0, what? 20. What is one? 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. 1, 5, 15. 1, 6, 16. 1, 7, 17. 1, 8, 18. 1, 9, 19. 2, 0, 20. So how will you read this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. After 20, what, children? 21. So leave one box and write, that is 2, 1, 21. 2, 2, 22. 2, 3, 23. 2, 4, 24. 2, 5, 25. 2, 6, 26. 2, 7, 27. 2, 8, 28. 2, 9, 29. 3, 0, 30. See, 2, 1, 21. 2, 2, 22. 2, 3, 23. 2, 4, 24. 2, 5, 26. Sorry, 2, 5, 25. 2, 6, 26. 2, 7, 27. 2, 8, 28. 2, 9, 29. 3, 0, 30. So now after 30, what? 31. Leave one box and write, children. 3, 1. For 31, what? 3, 1, 31. 3, 2, 32. 3, 3, 33. 3, 4, 34. 3, 5, 35. 3, 6, 36. 3, 7, 37. 3, 8, 38. 3, 9, 39. 4, 0, 40. So after 40, what, children? 41. So after 40, what you have to write? 41 like that. So you have to leave this line box and start here. 4, 1, 41. 4, 2, 42. 4, 3, 43. 4, 4, 44, 4 5 45, 4 6 46, 4 7 47, 4 8 48, 4 9 49, 5 0 50. So 4 1 41, 4 2 42, 4 3 43, 4 4 44, 4 5 45, 4 6 46, 4 7 47, 4 8 48, 4 9 49, 5 0 50. Now read the number 1 to 50 children. Already see now. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 41 42 43 44 45 46 47 48 49 50. Okay children, so you know the number to write. In previous class only you have learned more, but today we have learned only 1 to 50 to write the number. In this you have to write before and after number. Okay, so write before number children. From 1 to 50 I will ask in the middle, write before number. Write before number. Okay, write before number. See, whatever the number is given. So before number, before, see, I will write here. Okay, write before number. Okay. Okay children, write before number. Before 33, what number will come children? See here. 33 is where? Here. See, 31, 32, 33 is here. Before 33. Okay, before 33, what is here? 32. Okay, after 33 is 34. But we are writing right before number. So before 33, what is there? Before 33 is 32. So write 32. Okay children, next before 28, where is 28? Here, 28 is here. Before 28 is what? 27. Before 28 is what? 27. So before 35, before 35, see 35 is here. Before 35 is 34. Dash 48, that is before 48 what number will be there? 48 is here. Before 48 is 47. Okay. 16 before. 16 is here. Before 16 is 15. That is back number. Okay. Before number is back number. So before 16 back number is what? 15. So before 48 back number is 47. So now you have to write the after number. Write after number. After number. Okay children. 15. Okay. So this is 29 is 29. 29 after is what? 29 after is 30. That is 30. 36 after. Next number 36. Next number is what? 36. 37. So 19 is what children? 19. 19 after. 19 after is what? Next number 19. Next number is 20. Okay. 49 next number is what? 49. 50. That is 50. Okay children. So you know the numbers to write 1 to 50. So along with you tell with me children. I will write here. You also tell orally. Okay with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So in this you have learned before and after number. Now children, you know to write before and after number. See, I written here write after number. 14 after. 14 after. That is next number. 14 next number is what there? Here is 14. 14 next number is 15. So write after number. After 14 is what? 15. See here. 14 after is what? 15. Now 29 after. 29 after is 30. Here 30. Next 36 after. 36 after is 37. Okay. 19 after. 19 after is 20. So 49 after. After 49 what number will come? 49 after is 50. Right after number 14 is 15. 29, 30, 36, 37, 19, 20, 49, 50. So now write the middle number. So you should write the middle number. Write middle number. Write middle number. So middle number before and after number will be there one number, that is the middle number. See children, 3 dash. Okay. See, you should write the middle number. Okay. So you write here one number, that will be the before, and this, if you compare, this will be the after. Okay, you have to write the middle number. Here what is there? 3 and 5 is there. Middle number is what? See here number. 3 is here and 5 is there. Okay, middle number is what children? Middle number is 4. See. Before 4 is 3, after 4 is 5. So middle number of 3 and 5 is what? 4. 3 and 5. Middle number is 4. Okay. Now middle number we have to write 15 dash 17. 15 is a what? Here is 15 and 17 is there. Middle number is what? 16. Middle number is 16. 24 and 26 is there. Middle number 6. 24, 26 is there. Middle number is what? 25. Okay. Next, 35 and 37 is there. 35 and 37. Okay. Middle number is what? 36. Middle number is 36. For 47 and 49. 47 and 49. Middle number is what? 48. Okay, children. So 3 and 5 middle number is what? You have to write 3 after number for middle number. Okay. 3 after what is there? 4. Okay. 3 and 5 it is 4 middle number. 15 dash 16. 15 after is what? 16. So 15, 16, 17. 24 dash 26. 24 after is what? 25. So 24, 25, 26. 35. After 35 is what? 36. Because 35 and 37 middle number is 36. 47 dash 49. 47 after is what? 48, 49. Okay, children. So you know to write before number, after number and the middle number. Okay, children. So today we have learned only 1 to 50 numbers to write.